life throws its way.
Hey Kickstarter.
In 2017, you helped us crush our Kickstarter goal and bring to life the world's first window-mounted standing desk.
Since then, we've gone on to help thousands of happy customers break free from the shackles of stagnant seated desks.
And now, Desk View is sold in over 70 countries around the world.
We were even featured on ABC's hit show Shark Tank, where we made a deal with Kevin O'Leary.
Jeez, I'm sorry. Look who it is.
Wow.
Hey Kevin.
Hey guys, how's the Kickstarter shoot going?
It's going great. We're actually just filming it right now.
I'll take it from here.
You always do.
You know, at DeskView, we've listened to all your feedback, and we think we've designed the perfect folding standing desk. It's absolutely spectacular. You can take this anywhere.
We know what it's like working while you travel. Getting tasks done while you're on the road can be hard. You've got 1,000 things to get done, but no place to do them. You could try using classic techniques like the terminal tuck, or even sometimes the consultant crawl. But none of these methods provide an optimal, productive work environment. And unfortunately, you can't bring your desk with you. Modus folds down to over 2.5 inches to fit into even the smallest travel bags. And at 4.5 pounds, it's easy to take anywhere. Which is a significant improvement to the alternative. To install, simply press against the window, align the built-in level, press the latches to lock it into place, and unfold. It even sports a pull-out cup holder so you can stay hydrated on the go. With Modus, you go from box to business in under 30 seconds. Try doing that with an IKEA desk. Need more space? Modus is designed to pair perfectly with our 2-tier stand, opening up your desk surface and giving you the perfect ergonomic experience.
With Modus, it doesn't matter where you go. The world is your office. Hey Kickstarter, you have a chance to be the first to get Modus. A desk you can fold up and take anywhere in the world. Made by DeskView. Yeah, the Shark Tank rock stars.
There are two main things that make Fiddlestick different and, in my opinion, better than all the other fidget toys. One, and the most important, being the loop. The loop opens up possibilities that no other fidget toy has, where you can actually turn this into a skill-based toy or just flick it around like you would your keys. I love flicking my keys around. When I create in my office, when I'm coming up with ideas or I'm sitting down for a creative jam session, I found the #1 thing I would do is twist my keys around my finger. There was something therapeutic, almost hypnotic about it. My name's Adam Wilbur. I'm an inventor and a creator, but I'm also a magician. I use my hands as my livelihood. It's how I feed my children. So I really do have something in my hands about 23 hours out of every day. And that really pushed me to realize I'm a fidgeter. I think in reality, most people are. The Fiddlestick is very much a fidget toy. It has all the fun buttons and dials and tactile fixation tools that you would want out of your fidget toy. But it does have a few added bonuses, which really takes it to another level. Right up top, the joystick in a perfect ergonomic position. You've got a tactile surface that just feels great on the thumb. Light switch, 4 clicky buttons, pinball wheel, and 2 gears. On the right side, the worry stone, and last but not least is your slider, which is set to the perfect tension. The other differentiator of the Fiddlestick is that it is a bit modulated, and what I mean by that is that you can take it as a very slim, minimalistic, I'm going out and about and I want to keep kind of a low-key fidget, or you can say, look, I'm at a party, I want to be the center of attention, and you add on our LED attachment. When you get a little bit of work into this, you go to a party, it's light or it's dark outside, and you start fiddling, you will be the center of attention whether you like it or not. With one successful Kickstarter already under our belt, we know we can make this happen for the holidays. The only thing missing is you. We would love to bring the Kickstarter community into the final stages of manufacturing. Let's have some fun, learn some moves, give a gift or two, and join the fidget revolution. Choose a tier below, and let's go.
Introducing the Connect bracelet, the fashion of the future, because you never know where life will take you. The Connect bracelet is both stylish and functional. It features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery to charge your phone in no time. Its stainless steel build will keep up with your busy lifestyle, while giving you a fashionable edge over other bracelets. It features a quick recharge mode to fill its battery in just 90 minutes. Connect comes in 4 stylish colors. The built-in LEDs let you know how much charge capacity remains in your bracelet. It's great for those times when your buddies forget their charger, or when there's only a few outlets available. You'll be set, fully charged up in no time. Enjoy stylish functionality that integrates seamlessly with your busy day. It's time for Connect Bracelet.
Introducing Zoe. Zoe brings the future to your fashion, featuring electroluminescent soles, RGB pilot lights, and Bluetooth app control. Motion sensing technology allows Zoe to react to your foot movement, matching your moves with its own. Power on, pair up, pick your mode. Then dig into the app for even more creative control. With step control mode, Zoe changes colors as it tracks your steps, keeping your style fresh all day and night. Zoe's modern, laceless design combines fashion and function. With triangular, ultra-resilient grip, highly breathable fabric, and IP67 splash-resistant exterior, because drip is forever. When all said and done, recharge your Zoe in 2 hours or less with the magnetic charging cables, putting you back on your feet in no time. Your movement is your own. Your style is unique. And now, your world is full of light. Zoe, light up your way. Back us today and receive your very own.
Say hello to Limbic. We've already been used to working with a lot of super sophisticated hardware. We just never anticipated the amount of work that has to go into making it this tiny small. So everything in sports moves super fast. So if you want to track all that out of one device, that's a pretty crazy task. Limbic is smaller than a shoebox, and you can simply mount it on a wall or even position it on the floor. With our newly developed ball finder LiDAR, 3D cameras, an integrated sound system, and an innovative LED front, Limbic is ready for a variety of active applications. So controlling the Limbic is super easy. After all, it's basically a big touchpad. But once you use the app, you get all the statistics, you get your own calories burned, and you compete on the global leaderboard.
You know, the idea was in the room already for years, but now, the last months, we actually started doing it. And I think back of all these months of hard work where we really were focused on black screens with a lot of symbols, code, everything you can imagine. And you bite through these tiny bits, and finally you reach the end and you see it on the wall, people having fun with that. It's so fucking amazing.
The Limbic can work with any size of projection or display. So whether you want to use a small portable projector or want to go big for your home cinema, doesn't matter to us. We also want to include the community on some of the remaining design and UX decisions to make this device the perfect motivator for an active lifestyle. But now you're saying, hey, wait, this is Kickstarter, right? For the first perks, we decided to include a free lifetime subscription to all apps coming to the platform. This means that our first movers will have no additional cost ever. Here at Fun with Balls, we're used to putting in a lot of hard work and many sleepless nights to create meaningful things that make people move. Now, we need your help to go into production of this revolutionary new device. Let's have some fun.